Let's look at the best perpetual DEXs for pretty much every trading strategy. So there's no single best pep DEX out there. The right platform definitely depends on what you are trying to actually do. A scalper needs low fees, tight spreads, reliable order cancellation. A swing trader might prefer strong liquidity, flexible collateral, and dependable stop orders, right? An algorithmic trader needs stable APIs, WebSockets, sub-accounts, and risk controls. And an RWA trader would be looking for something that has a reliable pricing for stocks and indices and commodities and Forex. A funding rate trader needs more than just an attractive headline rate. Execution cost, hedge liquidity, borrowing expenses, liquidation risk can all erase apparent returns. So what we've done is completely crafted a guide that ranks the leading perpetual DEXs by strategy rather than the trading volume alone. So what we found out was that lighter stands out for low cost, high turnover trading. The links to all these platforms are in the description. Aster offers one of the strongest all-round trading environments. You've got Paradex, which is a leading choice for APIs and portfolio margin strategies, right? Ostium is one that is purpose-built for stocks and commodities and indices and Forex. And Sin Futures is particularly relevant for permissionless long-tail markets. You've got Avo, which combines perpetual futures with options, and MUX, which approaches fragmented liquidity through smart routing. Then other platforms like MYX, which introduce an alternative matching pool model. Invest Markets, Helix or Ondo Perps, which are expanding on-chain access to global markets. And in addition to all of that, what we do then is examine the risks and that, the rankings often ignore that you see out there. So we look at the smart contracts, the oracles, the liquidations, the funding reversals, sequencers, bridges, shared collateral, market hour gaps, administrative control, because headline volume alone, right, cannot tell a trader whether a platform is suitable for a $500 swing position or $50,000 automated strategy or leveraged gold trade, right? The right question is not what the largest perpetual DEX is, but which platform has the best architecture for that specific trade. And that's what we try to do by really just breaking it all down for you and making it possible for you to really get a good grasp by making sure that this guide covers scalping, swing trading, funding arbitrage, RWA markets, long tail assets, the mobile trading, API automation, high leverage strategies, and we all break it down as to which trading strategy is best for what platform and which one is the strongest alternative, and we also give you the reasons why. And I think this is a guide that you need to just tap into and really see the distinctions of all these different categories, right? The low latency order book exchanges versus the Oracle-based global market platforms, permissionless derivatives, automated market makers, options, and multi-product derivatives venues, smart routing, aggregators. I think a lot of this sometimes gets to sound too technical and complex, and it needs just to be made simple. And that's what we've done with this guide. So go check it out. The links to all these platforms are in the description. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notifications. And I'll see you guys in the next videos. Peace.